The textbook First Flight, Class 10. Today we will go through the summary of the first chapter, A Letter to God by G.L. Fontes. About the author. G.L. Fontes was a Mexican novelist, poet, and journalist. He started writing at the age of 15 when Mexican Revolution began. Many of his books are related to the civil conflict. Now the text. Lancho was a poor, honest, and hard-working farmer. His house was on top of a hill. He could see the rivers and fields of ripe corn. The only thing needed was a downpour, or at least a shower. Just as Lancho had predicted, at dinner time, big drops of rain began to fall. He was happy, but his happiness was short-lived. Suddenly a strong wind began to blow, and along with it a very large hailstorm began to fall for an hour that totally destroyed the corn. Lancho was very sad, but he had deep faith in God. He was a farmer, but he knew how to write. He decided to write a letter to God to send him 100 pesos to sow his field again. He then went to the post office, placed a stamp, and dropped it into the mailbox. When the postman saw the letter, he laughed and showed it to the postmaster, who also laughed, but almost immediately turned serious. He did not want to disappoint Lancho, who had such deep faith in God. He contributed some amount of money and collected some from the employees to send it to Lancho. When the postman delivered the money, Lancho was angry to find that it was 70 pesos and not 100. He was confident that God could not make mistake and called the post office employees a bunch of crooks. He then wrote another letter asking God to send the rest of the money directly to him and not through the post office. Now, students, please go through the text carefully, and then you will find some new words, and I have the meanings here for you. Let's just go through it. Crest, top of a hill, supper, a light evening meal, draped, covered, resemble, look alike or similar to. Locust, insects which fly in big swarms, groups, and destroy crops. Peso, currency of several Latin American countries. Thank you.